Let's move on to a fundamental list operation that demonstrates dynamic data collection. We have in this next line, entity observed 3D forms.append cross-section. The .append method is Python's essential tool for growing lists by adding new items to the end, enabling dynamic data collection and historical tracking during program execution. Entity observed 3D forms accesses the list that stores all the 3D manifestations this entity has shown over time. Initially, this list was empty when we created the entity. .append cross-section takes our newly calculated cross-section dictionary and adds it to the end of this observation history list. The dynamic growth process here is first observation. List becomes cross-section 1. Second observation. List becomes cross-section 1, cross-section 2. Third observation, list becomes cross-section 1, 2, and 3. This creates a complete timeline of how this 4D entity has appeared in our 3D space over multiple observations. Each cross-section contains timestamp, manifestation data, detection readings, and equipment status. Building a comprehensive scientific record, the append method enables data accumulation during program execution. Unlike creating static lists with predetermined data, append lets your list grow organically as your program generates new information. This mirrors real scientific observation, as when astronomers track celestial objects or when particle physicists monitor particle behavior. Each new observation gets added to the existing record, building a complete observational history. Append modifies the existing list in place. So entity observed 3D forms grows longer with each observation. That's part of the beauty of it. It creates this permanent record that researchers could analyze for patterns, changes, and trends, and seeing how the 4D entity is manifesting over a span of time.